मैं तुम्हारे खिलाफ मुकदमा करूँगा। I will file a case against you. I'll file a case against you. दरअसल बात ये है, Actually the thing is that. Actually the thing is that. वो तो बस अपने दिन पूरे कर रहा है. He is just dragging on his days. He is just dragging on his days. ऐसी भी क्या जल्दी है? Why such a hurry? Why such a hurry? खुदा करे तुम्हारे सब ख्वाब पूरे हों. May all your dreams come true. May all your dreams come true. मैं भी साथ चलूं? Shall I accompany you? Shall I accompany you? तुम मुझे बहुत अजीज हो. You are very dear to me. You are very dear to me. मैं तुम्हें छोड़ूंगा नहीं. I won't spare you. I won't spare you. इस तरह पानी नहीं पीते. One doesn't drink water like this. One doesn't drink water like this. देखो तुम मुझसे पिटोगे. Mind you, you will be beaten up by me. Mind you, you will be beaten up by me. अब मैं ज़्यादा इंतज़ार नहीं कर सकता. I cannot wait any longer now. I can't wait any longer now. मैं सीधा यहाँ आ गया. I came straight here. I came straight here. ये बड़ी खौफनाक बात है. This is a dreadful thing. This is a dreadful thing. दूध फट गया है. Milk has turned sour. Milk has turned sour. मैं बहुत थकी हुई हूँ. I am dead tired. I'm dead tired. आओ गप लगाएं. Let's have a chat. Let's have a chat. कमरा साफ होना चाहिए. The room should be clean. The room should be clean. आपसे कोई मिलने आया है. There is someone to see you. There's someone to see you. आज सुबह मैं देर से बेदार हुआ. I woke up late this morning. I woke up late this morning. हाँ बस यही है. That is all. That's all. मैं इंतज़ार नहीं कर सकता. I can't wait. I cannot wait. मेरे साथ बहस मत करो. Don't argue with me. Don't argue with me. मेरे सब्र का इम्तिहान मत लो. Don't try my patience. Don't try my patience. वो घर पर नहीं है. He is not at home. He is not at home. मैं जाऊं या ठहरूं? Should I leave or stay? Should I leave or stay? ये मेरा कसूर नहीं था. It was not my fault. It was not my fault. मैं इस मामला पर सोचूंगा. I will think over this matter. I'll think over this matter. मैं उसके फरेब में आ गया. I got duped by him. I got duped by him. जैसे आपकी मर्जी. As you like or as you wish. मुझे सख्त भूख लगी है. I am awfully hungry. I am awfully hungry. हरगिज नहीं. Not at all. Not at all. आओ सीधी तरह बात करते हैं. Let's talk turkey. Let's talk turkey. समझे? मैं समझ गया. Got it? Yeah, I got it. मुझे नींद आ रही है. I am feeling sleepy. I'm feeling sleepy. ये तुम्हारे चेहरे पर साफ साफ लिखा है. It is written all over your face. It's written all over your face. मैं सुबह का घर से निकला हूँ. I have been out since morning. I have been out since morning. ये सड़क किधर जाती है? Where does this road lead to? Where does this road leads to? मैंने अपना मकान बदल दिया. I have shifted from the old place. I have shifted from the old place. उसने गुस्ताखाना सलूक किया. He behaved very rudely. He behaved very rudely. ये सड़क आवाम के लिए बंद है. This road is closed for the public. This road is closed for the public.